So I just wanted to show you a few of the new features that are going to be on slides. Again, these have not rolled out to our education accounts yet, but I highly suspect it will be sometime this week based on how these things have been scheduled in the past. So be checking this week. I'll be using my personal account here to show you how these things work. First off, grid view. So before, you'll recall with slides, you could only view slides in just going down the screen like this. Now with this button down here, we can do grid view. This is great because then you can take slides and you can slide them around. So now this slide is at the end, whereas before it was up here. It's a nice, easy way to see a lot of your slides in order and to reorder them if you don't like the straight vertical alignment. Next interesting thing is linked slides. Okay, let's say that I have, just some stuff I'm typing in the slide here. Let's say new information, and I type it in here. Now, let's say that I have a different slideshow I'm working. Maybe this is one for a pre-AP class, and I want to prepare a slide for a regular class. Well, maybe this is a slide that I want to use in both presentations. So what I can do, I can copy the slide, and I can come over here into a new presentation and I can paste the slide. And note, it gives me the option to now link slides or don't link. So if I'm going to link them here, now these slides are linked. You can see that by this little link icon here. Let's say I change something here. We had it new information. Let's call it different information. Okay. And if we go back over here, and I want to speed things up a little bit, so I'll hit update, and it changed this slide as well. I think this will be a big time saver if you have similar but slightly different presentations going. So what else is new? Skipping slides. Now let's say that you have a presentation that maybe you didn't cover something this year in the class, but you don't want to completely delete that slide. You can go ahead and tell it to skip that particular slide. Now, if this does it appropriately this time, if we go to present and we go through the slideshow, you'll notice it did not show that slide. That slide was actually hidden in the presentation. We can bring it back just like this, and then it will show next time you do it. Maybe you've got a class that you went a little bit further than you did in another class. Might be a good thing to use that for. One last thing I want to show you in this video, and that is using Google Keep, integrating Google Keep notes into this. Now, those of you who have seen some of my G Suite presentations before know that I really enjoy Google Keep. And we can now bring Google Keep Notepad just here along the side. Again, this is my personal account here, just all sorts of different stuff. Let's say I've got a picture that I had and I want to pull it in. It's as simple as dragging the picture straight in to slides here. Anything here, and I can just search through my notes, find different stuff, drag them straight in. Pictures, text, it doesn't matter. And I can any notes that I save can also be found in my Keep interface as well. So that's a few new things here that I wanted to share with you.